Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the northern Black Hills, including Lead, Deadwood and Sundance. This is the National Weather Service office in Rapid City, South Dakota, conducting a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm on WXM63 in Rapid City, WXL23 on Terry Peak near Lead, WXK64 on Battle Mountain near Hot Springs, KXI59 Phillip, KZZ59 Porcupine, WNG557 near Faith, WNG558 in White River, WNG660 in Gillette, and WNG661 in Newcastle. When weather watches and warnings are issued, this signal will trigger an alarm on weather radio receivers to warn you of the hazard. The alarm will be used for weather warnings and emergency messages for Bennett, Butte, Custer, Fall River, Hawken, Harding, Jackson, Jones, Lawrence, Meade, Mellette, Oglala Lakota, Pennington, Perkins, Todd, and Ziba counties in South Dakota, Campbell, Crook, Niobrara, and Weston counties in Wyoming, and Carter County in Montana. Tests are normally conducted Wednesdays between 11 a.m. and noon Mountain Time, and between noon and 1 p.m. Central Time. The test is postponed if severe weather is threatening. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm. We now return to our regular broadcast program.